Hi everyone, I hope everyone is well and having a great day, and thank you so much for deciding to watch my video. And today's video is from a company, I'll show you their box, and it is called Love with Food. And this is a snack subscription service that you can get monthly. Put that down. And they have 3 different boxes to choose from. This one that I got is called the Tasting Box, and you get 7+ snacks. I think it's around $8 or $9 per box, and they donate 1 meal to an American family in need through Feeding America. And on this box, there is only U.S. shipping. I think U.S. shipping and territories, no international. Then they have the deluxe box where you get 15+ snacks. That's like $17 to $19 or $20. It gives a variance, so I'm not sure why there's a variance. That does have international shipping, and they donate 2 meals. And then the third one on the site is the gluten-free box. That's 10+ snacks. That's anywhere from $20 to $25. And the international shipping is $3.99 for the deluxe and the gluten, and free U.S. shipping to the U.S. and territories. And then the gluten box, they donate 2 free meals. And if you order by the 1st of the month, you get that month's box. So if you order by May 1st, you get May's box, and so forth. And they state that their products are organic or all natural. There's 0 trans fat, 0 hydrogenated oils, 0 artificial flavoring or coloring, and 0 high fructose corn syrup. So that's all good. I'm happy with that. So let's get right in the box. And it's not a huge box, but hopefully there's some good stuff in here. And I received this, I think, yesterday. And you get a little card in the box. And this just tells them a little bit more. And on the bottom it says, you know, you're helping families in need. $1 delivered, 1 meal donated to Feeding America. And it gives their website. So I figured I'd give this a try. It sounded like a good idea. I mean, I am more vegetarian, leaning towards the vegan, not full vegan. I don't eat any meat, fish, or seafood whatsoever. So I figured some of these snacks might be good to try. And I don't think, from the looks of the stuff in here, I don't think I've tried any of this stuff. So this is Bobo's Oat Bites, and this is peanut butter chocolate chip. And that looks like a muffin. And it's late at night. It's about almost 10:30, 11 o'clock. So I don't want to try any of these. I should have done this one earlier. And this is gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, as it says on the side there. You can see that. I'm trying to take the glare off. So that's good. And this is 1.3 ounces. So that looks good. In here they gave it, this is Choose a Better Sugar, low glycemic index, potassium antioxidants. And what is this? Just date syrup. Okay. That's something a little different. I don't use sugar, I just use in my coffee. So this is PB Fit, and this is peanut butter powder, vegan, gluten-free, and protein. This is 0.84 ounces. And I guess you can add this to... Yeah, you can combine this with water, stir until smooth, and then you can, it makes peanut butter. I would wonder if you could put that in some recipes also. So that's pretty nice. I'm kind of liking that. Let's see what this is. And this is from Balance, and this is their 40-30-30 nutrition for lasting energy. So there's protein, vitamins, and minerals, vegetarian friendly, gluten free, and this is peanut butter nutrition bar. And that is, I wonder what's the size is. Of course, I cannot see that at print. It's so small. So it's 1.76 ounces. So that's a normal size, you know, snack bar. A lot of peanut butter in this box, which I love peanut butter, so that's okay. This is from Beech Nut, and this is the Quinoa Crispies, Banana and Cocoa, and this is 0.56 ounces. Ooh, banana and cocoa sounds good. Made with natural ingredients. Made with real fruit and whole grains, it says. And that's, I like quinoa, so that's like, you know, here's like the size of the bar right there. So that, I would love to eat that now. It's just, it's too late. I cannot do that. And this is gluten-free, non-GMO, and this is Tone It Up plant-based protein bar, peanut butter chocolate. So I wonder if that tastes like a Reese's peanut butter cup. And this is 1.41 fluid ounces. So that, you know, obviously seems like much denser of a bar. So it's a good size. So I'm excited to try some of this stuff. And what are these? These are Harvest Snaps, Snap Pea Crisps, flavored green pea crisps, and these are baked, and these are black pepper flavor. 40% less fat, good source of fiber, less sodium compared to regular potato chips. And this is 1.75 ounces. Okay, you can feel them in there. They shape just like, you know, a snap pea. So I'm excited to try them. I'm going to try some of these tomorrow. And I will, in the description box, when this video, you know, is on the channel, I will leave a comment as to what I liked, what I didn't like. Now, I don't know if I'm going to like these. I'm not a big seaweed snack person. This is Ocean's Halo, and this is sriracha flavored, the seaweed snack. Spicy, garlicly, and tangy, sweet, lightly roasted, and there's 20 calories, I guess, in one. And this is 0.14 ounces. I don't know about this. Swim against the tide, eat seaweed. Oof, I don't know. I mean, I'll take a little piece of one and try it. I mean, you won't know if you like it until you try it. What's in here? Oh, this talks about just date syrup. And, oh, I guess you can make a smoothie with the powder. So that's nice. Oh, there's something else in here. Oh, this is definitely not for me. And this is by Field Trip. And it says get out there. And this is maple barbecue pork raised with vegetarian fed premium pork. No antibiotics, no added hormones, soy free. And this is a gluten-free pork stick. And this is 1 ounce. And that's what it looks like. That won't be something I will be trying. Obviously, I'll have to have somebody else try that to let me know what it tastes like. So I'm excited to try this. So we have the Snap Pea Crisps. We have the Sriracha Seaweed Snacks. We have the pork stick. We have the peanut butter chocolate chip muffin. The Tone It Up protein bar. A lot in this box. We have the balanced peanut butter bar. And then we have the Beech Nut Quinoa Crispies, banana and cocoa. And we have the PB Fit peanut butter powder. And then we have the little sample of the Just Date syrup. And then we have the cards that gave us the information. And then the card from Love It with Food. Okay, this is an interesting box. I'm not mad at any of it. I'm a little afraid to try the seaweed, but I will try all this, like I said, tomorrow, which would be, today is what day? Is Monday. So I will try it, you know, Tuesday or Wednesday of this week. This video probably won't go up for a few days. And that's my video for today. And this is from Love with Food. Please leave me a comment and remember to give this video a thumbs up. It really does help the channel with recommendations from YouTube to help grow the channel. And thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.